Dear students, now we are going to learn how to write Q, A, O, C, D and G. So now look at the board. So Q, first you write oval shaped circle and straight line. Here you see. Oval shaped circle and straight line. Just lift the pen like this. I am writing in a big manner. Oval shaped circle, straight line, just lift the pen. And here is a small triangular shaped gap. Okay, I am writing one more time. Oval shaped circle, straight line, just pen lift. It is Q. Don't write in a big manner, just very small. Again you see here. Off of the Q is the letter A. You see here. What is the letter? A. Oval shaped circle, straight line. I am writing here Q and I am writing here A. Off of the Q is A. Oval shaped circle and straight line. Here is a small triangular shaped gap. Again I am writing oval shaped circle, straight line. Oval shaped circle and straight line. It is small A. And I am rubbing here straight line, removing the straight line. What is the letter? O. O means you start here, downside of the straight line and come back like this. Yes, small O. And off of the small O here, I am not connecting at the beginning. This is O. I am not connecting the edges, endings. Here and here gap. This is C. Okay. I am writing C and L, our first basic L. C and L. C and L become D. Here also triangle shape gap. And I am writing Q up to here, not touching the fourth line, lower line. And here is I am giving a U-shaped turn here. G. First you write just like a line and give a U-shaped turn at the four line. Here also triangular shape gap. Q, A, O, C, D, G. These are all the same pattern letters. So in every letter, triangular shape gap will come and every letter oval shape will come. So oval shape is very, very important to look better, to write better. Okay? Now copy the lines. Look at the board and write. You always look at the board and write. You observe the letters. Write slowly and carefully. There is no hurry. Very good.